G20 Sherpa briefed the media on the G20 Development Working Group meeting in Mumbai, Maharashtra from 13 to 16 December 2022. Since 2010, the Development Working Group has been acting as a custodian of the development agenda in the G20 after the adoption of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its goals in 2015. DWG has steered the alignment of the development agenda of the G20 with the SDGs. Central Bank Digital Currency pilot launched by RBI in retail segment has components based on blockchain technology. The pilot in the wholesale segment, known as the Digital Rupee Wholesale, was launched on November 1, 2022, with use case being limited to the settlement of secondary market transaction in government securities. Use of e-rupee wing is expected to make the interbank market more efficient. Progress of PMAU. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is providing central assistance under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban since June 25, 2015 to provide Pakka houses with basic amenities to all eligible urban beneficiaries through 4 verticals viz. Beneficiary-led construction, affordable housing in partnership, in situ slum redevelopment and credit-linked subsidy scheme. More than 37.76 crore loans amounting to over rupees 20.43 lakh crore disbursed since inception of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. As per the survey results, PMMY helped generate 1.12 crore net additional employment for approximately 3 years. Pradhan Mantri Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana for implementation during 2021 to 2022 to 2025 to 26, which aims at transforming villages with significant tribal population into model village, covering about population of 4.22 crore, about 40% of the total tribal population. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.